when I go on a vacation, I ask my children and grandchildren what they would like me to bring back for them, because apparently I am a lousy selector. And they either don't like what I've brought back, or I never see them use it again. And I've even had one episode where a granddaughter cried because she just didn't like what I brought back. So this time I decided I would do it smarter. I told them to let me know what they wanted, and if I could find it, I would get it for them. My son-in-law, who acted as our Uber driver, taking us to the airport at 3:30 in the morning and picking us up at the airport again about 4 o'clock in the afternoon when we got back. And he said he wanted a red dirt shirt. But it had to be a red dirt shirt with a red Volkswagen on it. That was almost an impossibility to find. I looked in Oahu. They didn't even have red dirt shirts. Molokai, no red dirt shirts. I was getting desperate. Now I did eventually find red dirt shirts, and that's what I am showing here, the ones that I got. But I was so desperate that Bruce and I dug up red dirt. And the idea was we were going to put a white shirt at home in a bucket with water and make our own red dirt shirts. And this is an ongoing story of the disaster of having a bag of red dirt with you.